Hi Renu, hi Rupesh, welcome. So hope on your this busy Sunday, thank you so much that you people have taken out time to watch my live. Yeah, Gauravi, how are you? I'm hearing a lot of things that you are doing such a great job being in the hospital, taking care of so many patients. It's wonderful. I'm so proud of you. So nice of all of you to take out the time. And today I just thought, okay, let me come live. And from past actually couple of weeks, I'm thinking of coming live and talking to you. And because till now, what live you have seen, that is with some other people, so to directly one-to-one connection was not happening. And that was on the forum of Vandana Raj. So today I have come on a totally different forum, and so you all must be wondering what is happening. So a lot of posts are coming, blogs are coming. So I thought, okay, let me just have a small discussion with you all. So let us wait for other people to join. Akanksha has joined just now. Hi Diksha. So nice to see you all. Hi Navkon. Thanks for joining, leaving your game and joining me. That's wonderful. And in fact, I was writing yesterday, and one thing came to my mind that, hi Rashi, how are you? That we always want to validate. And I was also thinking of, whether how to come live like this, one to one. And oh, hi Anu. Thanks for joining. So hi everyone, I'm Vindi Kohli from Find My Me, and today I welcome you, all of you, to this Facebook Live. So thanks a lot that this particular Sunday, and that also at 9 o'clock, I think it's a dinner time for most of the people, and you people have taken out time. So first of all, I would really, really grateful for that. And hi Vinita. Hi Vinita, nice to see you. So I would like to thank you all for following my group and supporting me on this self-discovery journey. So you must be wondering that what is happening. So with this short this thing, I will explain it to you. That as I explained in my one of the blog, that inner purpose and outer purpose. So sometimes what happens, in the life, we are just going in one angle, and we think that that's the only angle for us. We never look at this side or that side. That exploring thing doesn't happen when the life is going so on a busy tone, and with the routined way. So this lockdown, actually, sometimes I think for me it was a big transformation, and I thank to this time, whatever has come. So hi Abhay. So I feel that this time, like, I just realized that everyone has the purpose, and that's how I wrote the blog on the purpose. And then I realized that I'm on this journey of self-discovery, and on spirituality, and on my physical yoga and all those things from past, I think, more than 21 years on my healing. And so I realized that like, I have faced a lot of challenges on my way. Hi Sai. So I have faced a lot of challenges on my way. So and everything I experienced on myself. So the best part what has happened in my life is that the learning. I didn't leave my learning from the day one. So I think that learning has given me a lot of ways out, how to come out of my own emotion setbacks, my own feeling setbacks. So a lot of sometimes everybody face the challenges in their life, but this is the I think this is the life. So we need to know that how we can make it balance in our life. So that's what I learned in my journey. So I thought, why not I'll share my some of the experiences and some of the methods and tools what I have learned from my mentors and my masters. Hi Minder, thanks for coming. So I thought, okay, why not I will share with you all, you know, those ways. So I think if something worked for me, definitely, okay, if 10 things has worked for me, at least one thing can work for you. So that's how I started making a program on this. Hi Shelly. Hi Shelly, thanks for joining. So I thought, okay, let me just create a program, you know, where we can have that self-discovery. So it is the program channel I have started, which is named as Find My Me. Hi Sonia. So that is about self-discovery and inner journey. So that's actually about healing, you know, so that how you can heal yourself, how the emotions and the feelings are so important, and we ignore it on the way whenever like our life is going on. So we have so many challenges in our life when we go ahead on this journey. So I thought, okay, let me just create a program out of it, which I'm still working on my proper course and everything, which soon I will bring it on this forum. And so in the meantime, I started writing, and thanks to my book, I think most of the people have seen my show with Jyotsna, and that also has given me a lot of insight when I started writing it. So a lot of feelings have come from inside me, and then that has given me a way out ki, okay, now the kids, sometimes like in the life we see kids are married, everything is done, and now what's your purpose? So I think I found my purpose. I feel that I should help people to find their own self, you know. So today I thought, okay, let me bring, because yesterday when I was I have a habit in the night, I always get my some insights and some buzzwords in my mind, and I was thinking, okay, let me just write it down something. And when I was writing, and suddenly one thing came into my mind, and I thought, why not I will have a one-to-one with you all and ask your opinion here, that when is the person think actually that this is the time for me for this self-discovery? When the person thinks, हाँ अभी चलो मेरी inner journey का time आ गया है और मुझे inner journey पे जाना है, तो कब आप लोगों के दिमाग में ये बात आती है, you know? So when do you people really think about it? So I'm expecting some of the comments below that hi Monica. So I feel that that it's the thought, you know. So it's basically the thought which creates. So I feel that this is all because of the change, you know. So as soon as I felt that this is a change, I started thinking about it, that how the change is important. So yeah. So basically, you know what happens, that definitely the thought comes ki, okay, now this is the time for me to you know, go on this path, or I have to do certain things. So then that thought creates the change. So I think the change is the main thing which brings you on every path, you know. So the change is very, very important. Like I was just today that I was writing about it, and I was thinking about the change. That change is so important that sometimes we feel, oh yes, I need to have like today I was thinking, okay, let me just change the interior of my house, or let me change my wardrobe, you know. So let me change my office systems. Let me change some of the sequencing in my bookshelf. So means what? That change is so important. We sometimes don't even understand the change. So change is the change of your thinking, the change of your thoughts. Unless you understand your thoughts, your thinking, you will never change. And change is the key to success. That's my feeling about it. कि without the change, without, if some people say नहीं हमें तो ज़रूरत ही नहीं बदलने की, हम तो ऐसे ही हैं हमेशा से. We are always doing like this. Like other day I was talking, I'm having a lot of one-to-ones with the people, and then I was just thinking कि दे आर सेइंग नहीं हम लोग तो नहीं चेंज कर सकते, दिस इज़ आवर रूटीन, हमारा यही खाने का टाइम है, हमने रात को 9 बजे ही कुकिंग करनी है, हमने इतने बजे ही उठना है, इतने बजे ही सोना है. सो दिस इज़ द फिक्स्ड things what we all have. It's a kind of mindset that I will talk in the next live. So then I thought, okay, let me ask you just a few 4 or 5 pointers, that when do you think that this is the change for us for this kind of a journey on a self discovery or a spirituality or whatever you may say, your religion or something, कि हमें इस path पे चलना है. When do you think, when you become old, when this is the time you think, or the circumstances makes you think कि okay, some things are not working out what you are looking for, you know, it was happening their own way and you have some more expectations, and then you become upset about it कि oh, I think I have to change, things are not working out. Or otherwise, like for example, yeah, so Sonia says circumstances, yes, most of the people say, or some people say अब यार 50 साल के हो गए हैं, अब बच्चे सेटल हो गए हैं, सब कुछ हो गया है, शादियाँ हो गई हैं, अब क्या करना है, चलो जी चेंज हो जाते हैं, अब थोड़ी ये उसमें चले जाते हैं, थोड़ी भक्ति में, थोड़े गुरु जी के पास चले जाओ, इसके पास चले जाओ ना. तो पीपल थिंक इन दोज एंगल्स. सो एंड सम पीपल थिंक कि ओके, दिस इज़ द टाइम, लाइक I have to change from inside, because I think that I need to know more about myself, you know. It's not what I have come here, fine, this is the duties what we are supposed to do, but what I am, I need to make that effort to understand myself. So this is another aspect some people think about it. So hope you people are with me here. So yes, to Sama saying that the change is the only permanent thing. Yes, absolutely. So this is what I wanted to bring the point here, is that change is very important. So for this journey, for this self journey especially, I think we need to understand the exact change, that what I am looking for. So means that your why needs to be very, very prominent. You have to know in your mind that why I am doing this, why I have to go on this journey, what is the need for me, you know. So jab tak I have done some program recently, one MBA I have done it, and there was a question on my business front, and then I was wondering what this why is, and I didn't understand at that time. But when I went into the detail of it, I went into the depth of it, then I understood ki the why is important. So unless you understand your why, your how will never come to you, you know. How will only come once when you are clear about your why. So I think that's the funda of me for this today's live, because I thought let me check. Now a lot of people have, and thank you so much who has already joined Find My Me, and so you must be wondering that it's been 1 month. I think most of the people have joined long back, and things are happening. You must be thinking some change, but yes, please be tuned, be there. A lot of changes will come. I'm working on a very beautiful program which I will bring it soon, because a lot of writing is there, a lot of my brainstorming is there. So but I'm enjoying it, you know. In the live first time, like I feel that that I am really enjoying what I'm doing. So even though I was enjoying my business also, still my 2 businesses are running and I'm enjoying that too. But this is something, you know, which I feel that it's come from inside me. It's my purpose. So that was my inner purpose which has come all the way. And so what I want now from you people is that please think about it today, that what is your why, and what are you looking for on this journey. Just make your why very strong, and then it's very easy for you people to take that one step ahead. And this is the journey of small steps you will have, because a lot of people are doing a lot of things like this. But what I have brought it here is absolutely a simple program where is only my own experiences, and with that experiences I am just like a medium in between, and giving you some kind of a methods and tools to understand your own why, or own me, sorry. So thank you so much. And so please share this Find My Me journey, hub with the other people who really wanted to know about themselves and wanted to know their own journey. So I think I can help them out. And so be tuned. And also one main point is that I am starting even the yoga classes also. So if you are a part of the my hub, then you are eligible to be a part of those classes and all that. Apart from that, I'm going to start very soon weekly one meditation classes. If anybody is interested for that also we will do it on that forum, Find My Me hub. And you people can ping me, or you can always contact me on these forums. So I'm getting habitual now, learning little bit more about this social media. So I think you can always contact me on LinkedIn or Instagram or Facebook, and also WhatsApp groups are always, WhatsApp is always there, so I can always reply you back. So please today you please write it down and send me a message saying that what is the change, about the change. It is all about the change, that why do you want the change of this self-discovery on this journey, on this path. Why do you want this? What is the change you are looking for? The change of your circumstances, the change for your age wise, or change of your own self finding. So that's very, very important for all of us to understand. So thank you so much. And in fact, this journey, whenever I have some couple of one-to-one with some of the people, and we were talking about it, and I said this journey actually is not that easy, which I always say. Lot of determination, lot of involvement, and lot of self focus is required in this particular journey. Like it's not like that ki chalo kuch nahi hota aaj nahi kiya to. So I feel ki then the purpose of that particular thing, of that journey, really we lose that kind of a connection. And for learning something is so important. Like for me in my life, if anything worked is the learning. I didn't leave my learning any time in my life. So I feel that the learning is the one thing which has brought me here. And today, even my purpose, to find out my own purpose, also I think it's all credit goes to the learning, whatever I was doing it, and I'm still doing it. So I think this journey of Find My Me is also about change, and the self-discovery is all about your own journey, and it is all about your learning. It is all about learning. You will learn so many things over the time, and I'm bringing up a lot of new patterns for you all. So thank you so much, and please share this my video. After this I'm going to upload this and video with other people also. If anybody you think that they are looking for this kind of a platform where they want healing, because my journey is all about healing. Healing can be your emotion feeling, your feelings healing, your inner healing basically, where I'm using lot of methods and tools for it. So thank you so much joining me today. So I'm Vindy Kohli signing out, and thank you everyone whosoever has joined. Enjoy your Sunday. Thank you so much, and please do reply me on any of the forum. I will definitely would like to reply you back, and I would love to connect with you. And if you want to join Find My Me, and yes, before I signing out, I would really like to tell you that my motto is, like, my aim is to have at least more than 100 people on my community. Then I'm coming up with such a beautiful program, so which I'm thinking of, that I should have that much of people where that program makes sense of bringing it and launching it. So thank you so much, and please support me for that, and please be tuned with me. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Good night everyone.